Darwin egg.
No, 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 no.
Cây lông mi ong hoành.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, Trung Liên mang chân chiếu thang min ong hoành.
No. Chân chiếu thang tự dòng ảo nạc nô là ngay lao. Trung liên mang tự dòng ảo nạc nô là ngay lao. Ta chung, cái đốt, cái thiên lung, cái thiên thêm, tí tí đào là.
Wait. HMING Chin online store jang jang kai shwe to em. Ingeni. What is it? The Chin online store choose the anzorti setun thil pun khana du mi khana hiban tokpol addo tak mi pol kha asa jong tha aman jong fak vek mi khan se e machun ram thum na am lai mi po ni chun order ko se New Zealand hiti bentuk Canada hiti bentuk US Australia pun ni order ko se zaman achung na order sisia khan chun free shipping asalai. Woo! Free shipping. So Rak order version chun a link to description box akan katsia lai chun comment achung tiang khan katsia lai ma chun order ko asalai chun couple cha janga khan order ko se na darling pa cha janga khan na order ko. Okay, let's start the videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to Evelyn Parr channel. Today I'm going to prank my girlfriend Evelyn Parr. I'm going to call her as her full name. Her full name is Nipar, and in our culture, no one's like to be called as their full name, and we never call them as their full name because it is rude. If someone call you using your full name, maybe she's angry or she's mad at you, and so we never call someone using their full name. And today I'm going to call her using her full name, Nipar. But most of the time I used Nini, Kadot or Hani whenever I call her. So today I will call her using her full name. I hope she will mad at me. I hope you guys gonna like her reaction. I hope she will be so mad at me because I never ever call her as her real full name as Nipar. So okay, let's do it. Come on, Roland, Tim Roland. Hello honey, come in. Luntok ma.
Yeah, luntok.
Tita Mangkala, backdoor ng Mangkala.
No, hungry check.
Hungry check tama.
Oh, my eyes.
Yeah, what happened?
So itchy.
What happened? Let me see. Your eyes?
Yeah.
Turmalut nga.
It's okay.
Alright, okay, let's go. Zai hen rok sopim ha kaifi ba dong ko laga sunna.
Okay, go. How's your day been?
Very good. Nati to. Good bak cho. Dam di chang.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tay sai lo to.
Because it's little. This side. Why you go that side?
Kala king kala ko.
Okay. Nagdang fast food na ibang.
Fast food na? Ito sa low food lang ba doon? Fast food sa kain ko.
You like the smell?
I don't.
I wish they made this perfume. I would
Kamating
buy
sargo ha.
perfume ma?
Dinito ko kasi you can like na pump la zumo mo cho na din la hang cho a chuak lai zumo ma hang chen na nin la ti
What are
cho
you making?
because I am not a perfume maker.
Neither am I.
I can give you an advice.
Chicken royal.
Can we please get 2 chicken royal?
Mutun apong ako.
Barbecue cheese.
No. Curry cup minto.
Anything else?
Wait for a second, please.
Curry cup ka.
Curry cups, please.
2 curry cup.
2. 2 of them, please.
2 Royale, 2 carrot cups.
Yep.
What's in
Anything else?
drink too.
2 strawberry, please.
We've got flavoured frozen drinks.
Yes.
Right, so we're in the side of parking. We're just waiting on Royale patties. We'll just bring it out to you.
Oh, sorry.
We're waiting on the Royales.
Yep.
We'll just bring it out to you.
Alright, okay.
So hungry.
7 egg.
No, 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 no.
Cái luôn mì ong hành.
Oh my god! Wow!
So good. I hand.
Cái có là mì ong hành.
Người ta không sure.
Zero na ni par na ao.
Nhìn ta min hello ma?
Kamin hi jong tang.
Yeah, min dong cha mi kan min ta kan au ko cha. Min on han cha min hello kai cha min ni par te kan au ko. Ni par te kan au ko. Ni par te kan au ko.
Tampi ai mo chung lian mang chan cheu thang.
Bin chu na au.
Namin ko mi cha dan.
Yeah,
It's your name.
ngut chu na au bal tong la.
Well, why you call me ni par?
Kan min ko cha nang ting chun. Nang min ko min cha min kan au ko min cha tin hu na.
Why are you acting like that?
What? I'm not acting.
You're acting so weird. What's wrong with you?
Alan. Kama ting what's wrong with you kan ti ding mi ha na ma ting chung lian mang tin na au chan chiu thang na au.
Did you ever call me ni par?
Yeah, I just did. Okay. What's wrong? Oh.
Min ong hành.
Mình online này thì vậy. Hôm mà tình chương. Trung liên mang ti ao nào nó là ngày lao ta chung cái đồ cái thiên lung thì lòng nào là okay?
What?
What do you mean go what? Mình chỉ nào nào hả? Mà lâu đen nào khó lao. Ao nào nó là ngày lao. Chân chiêu thắng thì dòng ao nào nó là ngày lao. Trung liên mang thì dòng ao nào nó là ngày lao. Ta chung cái đồ cái thiên lung cái thiên thêm thì nào là.
Zero na ni par na o kun na maang ni par tao na non na ngay lao.
Ikaw namin na to.
Ganun lang kapahunting ni par na ta hilaw.
Come out ng gante.
What's wrong?
Come out ng what's wrong? Kantiting mi ha. Namaduting what's wrong? You call me Chan Jiu Tang. You call me.
You wanna break up? You wanna break up?
Napopatam. I.
Why you call me ni par in the first place?
Out lang mang ko siya.
When?
Well.
When?
Nating to take all that.
No.
When I tarit na ID ka ng chat chan tala.
No!
Kay man ilaro ka ila.
Ni par chung kaabot pa.
Namin ako may.
Shut up!
Kadot.
Shut up!
No sila. Bahan na tinahong mo mga kata.
No tam.
Oh.
Miro ka ay chung lang din lang tam diti mi tinlong nam tar law inom.
Ay hen asaw na daw.
Shut up! Can you just shut up?
Can you just eat, not look at it? It's to be. You have to eat it, not look at it. Okay.
What's wrong with you, Chungmang? Nasay dati.
Lumatang na dahil nagkati na buhay hupang ko kasi ang baklawa.
Dala ni par na aw.
Yan namin.
Natin mahong.
Namin hello ma.
Kami hinang sa tigda na aw bal.
Kanaw tontot sa.
Dito ko na aw bal law.
Kanaw ba ko ah. Napil tang biya. Kan sa miจะทอลงมา
โทฟุนlaw.
ทอลงokay. ดูเราจนเคยก็กินนะภาษาดีๆเงินสอกกันสอกอ่ะขมาถึงใจโอเคแล้วใจดูเราเดี๋ยวจะนึกถึงที่
Din la.
And I, oh,
จะนึกถึงแล้ว ไม่ค่อยกันกันให้
Don't follow me.
It's a friend. How are you feeling? I'm proud of you. Hello guys, I think we did a really good job. She was so mad at me, as you can see. Do you think I have to apologize her? Then comment down below if you agree to apologize her or not. Alright, okay. Thank you for your times to watch this video. We are going to close now and we are going to enjoy our food. I hope you're gonna like the food. Alright, okay. Thank you for your times. Bye bye. See you in the next video.